How to buy crypto agent Trajan token. So this token came under the symbol of CATG, CATG, I think. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find in my channel, please do your research. Now before going and buy this token, make sure to check Derek's account, as you can see, and keep following their updates about this token, and go and engage with their community. As you can see, they have a big community there. They have 26,000 followers. Now to be able to buy this token, as you can see, it's available on the screener, and the liquidity here, as you see, it's locked by 99%. It's mean your investment in a safe place. Now to be able to buy this token, just copy the token address from here, and remember this token and the Solana network. Now go and open your wallet. For this I will use Phantom Wallet. Click on swap, make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet, of course. After that, click here and paste the token address, as you can see. So this is our token, just click on it. Now here, type how much you want to buy, wait a few seconds, and as you can see, this is how much you received. After that, select the provider page. From these two options, select one of them, for example Jupiter, and after that read all of that information here and click swap, and after that you will be redirected to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. Now after that, if you face any issue, just go back to this page, switch the slip hash from here or custom it, and after that you will be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy crypto agent Trajan token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.